We'll guide you through how to use Clownfish Voice Changer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Clownfish is a simple voice changer that works system-wide, which means once you set it up, it can modify your voice in apps like Discord, games, and other programs. So let's get started. First, open any browser to your liking on your computer. You can use Google Chrome or any browser that you prefer. Go to the search bar and type Clownfish Voice Changer. From the recommendation, just choose Clownfish Voice Changer and click on the official link, which is Clownfish Voice Changer. From here, just click on the download now option and you may even get some ad. Just close the ads and you will get different option for download and click on download. In my case, I'm just gonna go with 64-bit and you will be taken to another page. Just click on download Clownfish Voice Changer. Just click on it and just select any other options. And you will see we have successfully downloaded. Just open the file location and run the installer. When I click on the installer, my screen may not be recorded as this is not allowed. And now just follow the setup steps. Just click on next and choose where you want your Clownfish to be installed. Just click on browse and change it if that's what you prefer. Just click on next and wait for the process to finish and click on install. This may take some time and you will get another window appear and it will just say, do you want to continue this operation? Just type Y for yes. Now go back to your home screen and just search for Clownfish and you'll see the Clownfish app. Just open the app. I got a pop-up saying Clownfish is not installed on any of my audio capture device. So I would just like to install it. So I will click on yes. And after installation, sometimes you may not find it in the desktop. Just click on this arrow and you will see the Clownfish Voice Changer here. Just right click on it and go to setup. Go to system integration. This is where you choose which microphone Clownfish will apply your effects to. Click on install or remove voice changer. Now find the microphone that you are using. For example, in my case, I'm using microphone Realtek and it's installed. So when it is installed, you will get option as remove, but if it's not installed, you will get an option saying as install. Make sure the correct microphone is selected, otherwise the voice effects won't work. And once that's done, just close the window and go to the hidden icon again and right click on the Clownfish again. Now click on set voice changer and you will see a new pop-up appear. Here you will see multiple voice options like helium, robot, alien, male pitch or radio. If you select helium, your voice will be higher. And if you want to clear the effect, just click on clear effect and your effect will be cleared. Now let's make sure it works on another app. Open the app where you want to use the voice changer. For example, Discord. Just open your Discord and go to your user settings. Now scroll down until you find voice and video. And under microphone, just click on the drop down and make sure you select the same microphone that you configured in Clownfish. For example, I configured my microphone Realtek audio in Clownfish. Make sure to select that same exact microphone here also. If you select a different microphone here, the voice changer will not work. Once the correct microphone is selected, try speaking and your voice should be now active. You can test this in a call or use a mic to test the feature. If the voice changer is not working, double check that the Clownfish is running, the correct microphone is selected, and the voice effect is turned on. Now whenever you want to change your voice, just go back to Clownfish icon in the system tray and open the voice changer panel. Select a different effect and it works instantly and you don't even need to restart anything. And that's it. You have now learned how to download, install, set up, and use Clownfish Voice Changer on your PC. In this video, we covered downloading the software, setting up your microphone, applying voice effect, and using it in apps like Discord. You can now check out our next tutorial videos.